How to join a Roblox community. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can join a Roblox community. Now previously this was known as Roblox groups, but now it has been changed into Roblox communities. So let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Roblox. After you open up your Roblox, this is the first interface you'll be on. After you're here, you will need to head over to More, that is on the left side. Head over More, and there you will find an option called Communities. Simply tap on that, and after you tap on it, this page which was earlier on will open up. Now from here, you will see different sections. Now whichever section that you want, that is if you want to join a community or a group in the Experience Studios, you can choose it from here. If you want to choose a building, you can do that here. If you want to roleplay, it's right here. And yeah, if you also want to search for different communities, you can do that from here. And if you want to just join one, you can open one up. And after you open it up, you can simply tap on join. You'll see right here, join community. And after you tap on that, you're basically good to go. And that is basically all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.